Nursing, unfortunately, is one of those careers that people tend to overlook at times, and it is seen as unimportant as compared to doctors. But in reality, it is actually the doctors who rely heavily on the observation on nurses to make decisions about patient care. And it is also the nurses that are the superheroes. They catch the potentially fatal mistakes made by doctors and stop them from killing someone. Now, with the COVID-19 pandemic spreading across the world, nursing is now seen as an important job, and that we definitely can't do without nurses. So here are the top 5 myths about being a nurse. Myth number 1. The hospital will get by fine without nurses because doctors run the show. This is an actual depiction of a hospital with no nurses. Just ask your doctor friend. The next time you go to a hospital or a clinic and you don't see any nurses but just a doctor, then you can start to panic. Because it is the nurses who can potentially save your life from being misdiagnosed by the doctor. Myth number 2. All nurses secretly want to marry doctors. Okay, so maybe you're a fan of that medical drama Grey's Anatomy, but that is a drama. Not all nurses become one just so that they can marry a doctor. Myth number 3. Nurses are all women. Another general misconception. While nursing is still widely believed to be a woman's job, there are quite a number of male nurses as well, which is a good thing for several reasons. Myth number 4. Nursing is an easy job. In the eyes of most people, nurses perform the same duties over and over again. That is not true. Most people, including doctors, seem to think nurses are superheroes and can be in multiple places at once, and can do several things at once as well. They are the unsung heroes. Who are you going to call for when it's time to change the dressing of your wound and make sure that your elderly parent or even your child takes the right dosage of medication at the right time? Definitely not doctors. Myth number 5. Can you double check with the doctor again, please? When nurses communicate any information about yours or your relative's care, it is usually a decision made in collaboration with the rest of the medical team. And yes, this includes doctors. So telling your nurse to ask the doctor again will not magically make them tell you something different. So yes, here are the top 5 myths regarding nurses that we can find. And with the COVID-19 pandemic going around, no doubt that it's not just the doctors that are being run ragged, the nurses are too. It takes a real hero to be a nurse. So the next time your nurse is just a little late in coming to answer your call, don't shriek at her like it's the end of the world. Chances are that she's probably been busy helping to save someone else's life on the other end of the hospital just a while ago. If you like this video and would like to see more, do like our page or even subscribe to us.